Hi there. Have you ever wondered how much your favorite YouTuber has made from ad revenue on YouTube? Well, if you have, today I'm going to share with you a simple formula to calculate how much, it's an estimate only, but calculate how much they have made. So the first step is to find the total number of views on their channel, and I've got a channel open here which is the How to Solve Puzzles channel, which is my channel, and I'm on the home section at the moment, so I just sort of swipe over here to the right hand side and click on the About tab, and go down to the bottom, and there I've got 4,128,572 views, and these views are published on everybody's channel, so it's easy enough to find it. To find that, whichever YouTuber you're looking for, go to the About section and find the total views. And then the first step then is to punch those views into your calculator, 4,128,572, and then I need to multiply it by 0.16 of a cent. So multiply that by 0.16. And that gives me an answer in cents earned, which is 660,000 cents. And then all I need to do then is divide by 100 to get the dollars earned, and divide by 100. And that gives me $6,605, and that answers in US dollars. And obviously it's only an estimate only, that amount, but I found that using 0.16 of a cent per view to be an accurate way to calculate my ad, how much I've earned from ad revenue. And you can, if you search online about how much people make, there's people saying it's between 0.05 of a cent up to 0.2 of a cent per view. And this is obviously based on video views and not ad views, and they're slightly different. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.